Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's compare the Menieres disease with that of the otosclerosis. So first, the Menieres disease, what will be the sex? So here the male is greater than the female. So very common in males compared to that of females. This is Menieres disease. So Menieres M for M, that is male is common. Next is it is unilateral. So it is present on one side. Then comes the sensory. There is sensory. So there is sensory neural hearing loss. So sensory neural hearing loss, SNHL. So this involves the Menieres disease is common in male, it is unilateral, and then there is a sensory neural hearing loss. This is the Menieres disease. And then there is a cochlear pathology. So what pathology is involved? The cochlear pathology is involved. So all this we are talking about the Menieres disease. So cochlear pathology is the involvement of the endolymphatic. So there is the involvement of the endolymphatic system. Next what we look at is the otosclerosis. So otosclerosis, here it is going to be contrary to that of the Menieres disease. So in Menieres it was male greater than female. So in otosclerosis it will be the female greater than male. So if we know one properly, we can just write the opposite. So in otosclerosis it is going to be bilateral. And the hearing loss will be the conducting hearing loss. So it is a CHL. So otosclerosis, what does it involve? It involves a middle ear pathology. So it involves the middle ear. So what it involves? It involves a middle ear pathology. And also the stapes foot plate. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.